at home when you are going here and there, be proud of your language. And language is the culture, the tradition. Now we'll ask the group here.
You in the celebration of Kok Borok Day.
Mother tongue has very important role in children's overall development. Today, this is an epic day for all of us, especially the Kok Borok speaking community, because today 19th of January is celebrated as Kok Borok Day across the state where all Tripuris reside.
Now, I will invite our choir group to
all things bright and beautiful, our creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. Each little bird that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. Beautiful, all creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. The importance of
here to share with all of you the importance of Kok Borok Day. Kok Borok Day is also known as Borok Day. Kok Borok Day is a festival celebrated in the Indian state of Tripura to celebrate the development of the Kok Borok language. It is observed every 19th January. Kok Borok is the indigenous language of Tripura, spoken for thousands of years among the indigenous communities of Tripura. Kok Borok is one of the Tibeto-Burman languages in the northeast part of India. The language is mainly spoken by the Debarma, Koloi, Riang, Jamatia, Tripura, Noatia, Rupini, Morasing and Ujoi people. The communities who speak Kok Borok are known as Dibra or Tripuris. The Borok rulers of Tripura has mentioned for more than 1,000 years that Koloma was the script of Kok Borok, but is not known anymore. Thank you and have a nice day.
language that we all speak. Thank you.
And our beloved director, Sister Celine, our principal, Sister Albrida, for giving us the opportunity to celebrate the Kok Borok Day. I would also like to thank all the teachers for helping us. Thank you all and have a nice day.
Northeast, you'll see the mosaic of languages and the culture. And the whole of India like that, every state and so many different scripts, so many languages. What a beautiful tradition, what a beautiful culture, what beautiful and enriching country God has gifted us. It's our commitment today that we will all preserve our culture, our tradition and our language, and we will promote also the others, will uphold also the other. We will not despise anything of other people, because what we do for others, it also comes back to us. We like to wish all our Kok Borok community people today a very happy Kok Borok Day, Kok Borok Language Day, and we wish them all the best. We pray that day we will also help them to promote their language and their culture. We thank God for the beautiful celebration that we have had. We had the and also Naomi who played the musical instrument, and you sang so beautifully, lovely song. I didn't understand, but I enjoyed this song. Thank you so much for the beautiful day, beautiful.